Kamdev is the Hindu god of desire. Kam is said to be the son of Lakshmi. Kam has two wives, Rati and Priti. Going by Mudgal Puran, Kamdev live in all the seductive things. All those things that fill human being with desire and lust are Kamdev's work. Kam is a god of beauty and youthness. He is usually pictured as a handsome god riding over parrot. He carries a bow made of sugarcane. He holds 5 arrows. The parrot symbolizes whatever he is taught, he hears and repeats. Sugarcane is sweet, at the oldest part of signifying that true love comes with age. 5 arrows represent 5 flowers associated with romance as well as 5 senses. The first arrow aimed at the heart, it brings initial excitement and cheerfulness. The second is the cause of the one who cry out of this excitement. The third works in the brain. It makes a loose of mind and get crazy for love. It for eyes. It makes you see the things as love. It's basically to hit you anywhere, causes a target to simplify fall in love. Kam is most active when accompanied by his mate during spring. His story is mentioned in several Purans. Kamdev was born from the mind of Brahma. Now let's talk about why Shiva opened his third eye and burnt Kamdev. The story starts when Lord Shiva decided to meditate for lifetime. After his wife Sati demised, Shiva was committed to remain a monk and sacrificed all the pleasures and comfort of a householder's life. He didn't want to marry. At that time, there was a demon named Tarkasur who had boon from Brahma that only son of Shiva could kill him. Tarkasur was very intelligent. He knew that Shiva would not get up from deep meditation. He did prayer of Brahma and got that boon to be killed by only Shiva's son. During that time, Parvati was praising Shiva to marry him. She would pray a lot to obtain Shiva, but Shiva never answered to Parvati and always formed for tapasya to create again the feeling of attraction to family and the world and to kill Tarkasur. All the Devtas asked Kamdev to wake up Shiva and to create desire in Shiva. Then Kamdev left his place to make Shiva awake from Samadhi. To disturb Shiva, Kamdev launched his weapon, Kamban, towards Shiva. Shiva was forced to open his third eye and burn Kamdev. Then Shiva turned Kamdev into ashes and then applied bhasma on his body. That's why he is known as Kameshwar. After that, Parvati decided to win Shiva by her true devotion. After loads of tapasya, Lord accepted the proposal of Parvati. In the last, Kamdev's wife Rati praised Lord Shiva and asked for boon that Kamdev get his life again. Shiva returned his life, but without a physical form. But he wanted his birth again. Then he reached Mahankal Van and worshipped Shivling. Shiva appeared and blessed that you would be incarnated again as Krishna's son by the name of Pradumna. Now Shiva had to handle the Tarkasur also. At the end, Kartikeya killed Tarkasur. All Devtas started rejoicing to have freedom again. Now let's have a look birth story of Kamdev. Once upon a time, Lord Brahma was meditating. Suddenly Kam took birth from him and thereafter he asked for order. Brahma replied, "You are born to create further generation." After listening, Kamdev disappeared from there, but Brahma didn't like his behavior. He cursed that Kam would get back into mind again very soon. Then Kamdev returned and apologized. Lord Brahma was pleased with him and said, "I provide you 12 places to live." These places were Viven's waist hairs, thighs, breast, navel, knees, peep, cuckoos chirping, moonlight, rains, Chaitra and Vesak months. Lord Brahma blessed him by giving a flower bow and 5 arrows. According to religious belief, the day Rati and Kamdev appeared on the earth, love also increased among human beings by the virtue of Kamdev. Love is transmitted to all living creatures. Kamdev is a god of sexual attraction. He is worshipped on Vasant Panchami during springtime. Do comment, did you know about Kamdev?